Module 1, Section 7, Objective 6. Divide whole numbers by multiples of 10. Okay, this is kind of fun. Alright, looking at the division equations below, what do we notice? What do we wonder? Okay, I'm noticing that all of them have 72, 8, and 9. This is one of those fact families that we talked about before. Okay, 72 divided by 8 is 9. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 72 divided by 8 is 9, and 72 divided by 8 is 9. We just have some zeros, right? Okay, so I notice the zeros are on some and they're missing on some. I'm wondering why it works out the way it works. Now, let me explain. Okay, because I know that 72 divided by 8 is 9, this is the long way of doing this problem, but I'll show you the short way here in just a second. Oops, helps if I write the number correctly, huh? Let's do that again. 72 times 10 is 720, right? Divide by 8. So this part is 9, and then we're timesing by 10, so we get 90. Okay, next one. If I have 7,200, this is 72 times 100 divided by, now the bottom is 80, which is 8 times 10. Why am I doing this? Because I want 72 and 8. And this explains my shortcut. So shortcut is next, I promise. So that gives you 9. And now how many 10s are in 100? There are 10, right? So that's 90. Okay, this is the long way. Let me show you the short way. I'll do it on the last one, and then I'll do the others as well. Okay, so you want to find the numbers before the zeros. So 72 divided by 8 is 9. And now you're going to cancel the zeros out. One on top with one on the bottom. I missed. Let's try that again. One on top with one on the bottom. Okay, let's do that again. So I'm going to make another one up. So 72,000 divided by 800. Okay, I could do like I did with the green and purple one, or let's cancel the zeros out first. There's 2 sets of zeros, and I'm left with 72 divided by 8, which is 9. Okay, we're going to do more on the next page. So here we go. Okay, their rules say divide the non-zero digits in front and then subtract the number of zeros you're dividing by. Okay, I don't like that definition. It's kind of confusing. I like doing it my shortcut way. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to write it on top of each other so that you can see it better, and then I'll show you how to do it without. Okay, so 50,000 divided by 100. So I'm going to cancel 2 sets of zeros, and I end up with 500 divided by 1, which is just 500. Okay, the next one. We have, and I'm writing over their version because I like my version better. You can use theirs if you like. I don't have a problem with that, but this just makes more sense to me. Okay, so I'm going to cancel out pairs of zeros, and I'm done. Don't have anything else. So what I'm left with is 140 divided by 7. Okay, I'm just rewriting it so you can see it. But I know that 14 divided by 7 is 2, right? And then I have this 1 0 left, so I'm going to bring it over. Okay, let's do the last one. So we have 90 million over 30,000. And I'm going to cross out some zeros. So there's 1 pair, 2, 3, 4. Now I don't have any zeros at the end of the number, so I'm done. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, right? And then I have 1, 2, 3 zeros, so I need 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to do it sideways on this second column to show you how you do it without rewriting. Okay, you're still going to cancel the zeros, but you're going to do it without rewriting it. Okay, so I have 2 zeros here. I'm going to cancel 2 there. So now I have 8 divided by 1 is 8, and then the 1 extra 0. And that's it. Okay, next one. Cancel out as many zeros as I can that come at the end. So here there's 6, here there's 3. I'm going to use a small number to cancel by. Okay, so I need to cancel 3. So I'm going to cancel 3. See what I have left. I have 24 divided by 6 is 4. And then 3 zeros left. So the answer is 4,000. Okay, last one. We're going to cancel out 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 28 divided by 7. So that's equal to 4. And then 1 0. So I have 1 0. Kind of cool, huh? Okay, this one is a real-life example using that. So it says use mental math and the powers of 10. So here we go. I'm not going to do it mentally. I'm going to show you by writing it down so you can see what I'm thinking. Okay, so Sabrin, I don't know how to say that. That's how I'm going to say it, is ordering supplies for the office. Use the following table to answer the following question. If the office wants 2,000 paper clips, how many boxes of paper clips should be ordered? Okay, so what I'm going to do is look at paper clips up here, and they come in 40 per box. So I want to divide 2,000 by 40 and see what I get. Okay, so I'm going to cancel out the zeros. And now if I do what I did on the last page, I would technically have to go 2 divided by 4, which I can't do, right? So I'm going to add one more 0 to it. So what's 20 divided by 4 now? And that's 5. Now I only have 1 0 left. So the answer would be 50. Okay, on the other page, I think I crossed out purple, didn't I? Okay, let's do another one. Oh, label. Since it's a story problem, we need to have a label in our answer every time. Okay, B. How many boxes of pens should be used if she ordered... try it again. How many boxes of pens should she order if she needs 6,000? Okay, and since they come in 30 per box, we're going to divide this by 30. Okay, cancel out some zeros. And we have 6 divided by 3 is 2. And we have a couple zeros that we didn't use. So, 200. And the last one here. How many boxes of paper should she order if she needs 18,000 pages of paper? And if they come in 2,000 per box, we're going to divide this by 2,000 and see what we get. Okay, so cancel 3 sets of zeros. And we're left with 18 divided by 2. And no zeros left. So the answer is just 9. And I forgot my label again, didn't I? Okay, so 9 boxes on this one. And 9 boxes on B. Okay, let me do the same thing that we did up on A one more time so that you can see what I'm talking about. If I had 3,000 and I want to divide it by 90. No, I lied. 60. I want to make it work so does what I want it to do. Okay, I'm going to cancel out one set of zeros and see what I have left. I have a 3 and a 6, but 6 doesn't go into 3, does it? If I put another 0 with it, now I do 30 divided by 6 is 5. And I have 1 0 left right there. Okay, so if it doesn't work, you have to add another 0 to it so that it will.